My favorite day trading strategy is currently up over $20,000 in this open position. So I figure, why not make a video today going over this strategy step by step? First and most importantly, how do you find setups like this? Because it doesn't matter how good your trading strategy is, you're not going to make money using it unless you can find the setup. So while it is showing here on my scanner, I just want to show it off. The ticker that the strategy is currently in is SOBR, and you can see that lighting up my real-time stock scanner, both on the most recent high audio alert, and it was lighting up here in the moving now section of the scanner. This is once again my real-time stock scanner. I built this myself. It updates 4 times a second. And once again, it is how I am able to locate these moves as it continues to push even into new highs now fast enough to be able to take advantage of a strategy like this. Because the first part of this strategy is the time frame we traded on, and I trade this on the 1 minute chart. Every single one of these candles represents 1 minute of trading. You need to be able to locate the breakouts as soon as they happen, else you won't be able to take trades like this. Next, the entrance condition of the strategy. The strategy only uses one simple study, and it is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, but it's probably like no way that you've ever been taught about the RSI before. I don't care what the value of the RSI is. I don't care if it's overbought, oversold, whatever, etc. All I care about is the rate of change. What is the value of the RSI on the current candle versus what it was on the previous candle? This is how I am able to objectively define strength. If I come into, by the way, pushing into new highs now, the strategy currently sits up over $24,000. Insane. If I come into the settings cog on this strategy code, you will see I have an input variable called RSI change. I try to make all of my codified trading strategies as customizable as possible because I know the thousands of you that have access to these strategies already, you all want to trade slightly differently. You all have different risk management, you all have different trading goals, etc. By default, this is actually set to 10. I have found for my personal trading style, I'm not telling you need to do this, but I have found that I want to get a little bit more aggressive. I want to look for slightly less RSI change. So I set that setting to 8. And I show you that now because what that means is that you can see here on our entrance candle, the RSI value. Can you see this number? Where is it? Can you see this number right here? I don't know if you can on the way YouTube compresses videos, but anyway, the RSI value of this candle is 61. Well, obviously then you get a big green candle and the RSI value of this next candle is 74. Obviously that is an RSI change of 13. 13 is greater than 8, so the strategy enters. That's it. That's the entire entrance condition for this strategy. Now, the strategy still sits in this trade. The strategy is currently up over 50% in this trade, and we have no reason to look to exit yet. The exit condition for this strategy and for every continuation strategy that I build will only sell on the first sign of weakness. When I am trading continuation, when I am looking to buy high, sell higher, I have no upside profit targets. Listen, I'm a firm believer that in the short term, what is currently happening is more than likely going to continue happening, which is why I love trading continuation trading strategies. If you're buying strength, the stock is more likely than not going to continue to be strong. So I just let that happen. I let the stock continue to be strong, continue to be strong, continue to be strong. My exit condition for this strategy is actually about to come true. Perfect timing. Sell the first candle that closes below the low of previous candle. That's it. It's that easy. That works, by the way, for both allowing your winners to run. As you can see here, the strategy did just get out, locked in 44% gain there. That allows both your winners to run like this one, and it allows you to cut your losers quickly as well. So obviously, once again, the low of this candle previous was $1.93. The close of this candle is $1.86. Obviously, less than the low of previous candle. So that is where we get stopped out of the trade once again, locking in more than like 45% or whatever it was. Returning subscribers to this YouTube channel will know that whenever I make a strategy video like this, I always make sure that I show the losers as well. I don't want anybody thinking that my strategies always win. In fact, I'll be very upfront with you. This strategy has about a 35% win rate. You are going to lose most trades that you take. So I went back to my real-time stock scanner. At the time I was looking, POET was the stock hitting the moving now scanner at $9.93. Well, I went and looked, and actually the strategy is doing okay in this trade right now. We can see where it goes from here, but you can see in the floating P&L that we are red. The strategy is down a little over $2,000. That's because yesterday, a handful of red trades were taken on the strategy. We can look right out of market open. You get a big green candle, you buy, and then you get stopped out. First candle that closes below the low of previous. You get a big green candle, you buy, you get stopped out. First candle to close below the low of previous. But notice, we just watched a winner make over 40% in SOBR, right? And that's over $22,000 with the size that I'm currently have the strategy set to. That's one winner. And in multiple losers, the strategy is down now $3,000 as this trade is rolling over. That's the point of this strategy. Low win rate, but you are targeting much larger winners and much smaller losers. That's how this strategy is able to make money over time. So if you would like to be able to see this strategy on your Thinkorswim chart, as well as have access to this scanner so that you can find the moves fast enough live and in real time to actually perform these trades, then head on over to my website, daytradingstrategies.net, where I have made available access to both of these things. And guess what? They come at the same price. You get them both bundled in one package together, and only at $45 a month, or even cheaper. I think it's like $34 a month if you go with the annual plan. You get access to the real-time stock scanner. Once again, it updates 4 times a second. That is every 250 milliseconds, the scanner is updating. You will be put on moves the microsecond that they begin moving. Also, you get access to 150 plus custom trading codes, including the strategy that we covered in today's video. Also, as if that wasn't already enough value for $400 a year, you also get access to the daytradingstrategies.net Discord server. AGL. Everyone in this Discord server has paid to be here, so you know you're getting serious stock trading conversation. There are already over 2,400 members. It's a very large community of people that are talking about stock trading all day, every day. Just another great additional value, once again, at no additional cost. So if you've been losing money day trading and you've never taken a chance on a premium tool, what I'm attempting to build here is the best starter set of premium tools for a beginner trader. You are not going to find a scanner as fast as mine at this price, and you're not going to find this many custom trading codes or access to a premium Discord server at this price. And you get all 3 things for $400 a year. Think about how long 12 months really is. Close your eyes, envision 12 months from now. That is a long time of having access to real-time stock data. And ask yourself, I'm not allowed to answer this question for you, but ask yourself, do you think that can help you make an extra $400 over the next 12 months? If the answer is yes, it's obvious positive ROI for you. Anyway, daytradingstrategies.net will be linked at the top of the description down below. Go click that link, get signed up today, and become a better trader immediately.